Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to unfreeze your 1688 account. Well, this is really easy, really simple. Uh, this process is really simple. The process is to call support so they can help us to unlock our account. Okay? Well, this is really easy. The first step we need to do is take a screenshot of the uh, locked account. Okay, we're gonna try to uh, log in on our 1688 account. We're gonna try to log in, and then uh, here you can see that we can access to our account. Then we're gonna take a screenshot. Once we take a screenshot, we're gonna uh, find the WhatsApp number of the 16AA Super, and right here we wanna click uh, uh, this button right here, and we wanna send the image or the screenshot, and then uh, they we they will help us with all the necessary information to unlock the account. Okay, here you go. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.